अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, तुसी देख रहे हो पंजाबी प्रचार। मैं हाँ तुहाडे नाल इरफान समोर ते मेरे नाल समोर ने अज एक यूके तो आई सोशल वर्कर क्लेयर इन्हां दा नाम है। यूके तो आए ने, साइकिल ते आए ने और यूके च एज अ सोशल वर्कर काम करते हैं। होमलैस पीपल ਲਈ काम करते हैं ਜਿਹੜੇ बेघर लोग होंगे ने और इन्हां नाल जरा गलबात कर रहे हैं। और सबसे पहले तो वेलकम टू पाकिस्तान।
थैंक यू, शुक्रिया।
अच्छा, शुक्रिया भी बोलते हैं। और हाउ डिड यू फाइंड पाकिस्तान? पाकिस्तान कैसा लगा?
Yeah, amazing. People here are so kind and hospitable. I really love it. And the countryside is amazing too. Yeah.
Have you visited countryside?
Yeah, I've been to Swat, Skardu, Hunza, Sagoda, in and around Punjab, Islamabad, here.
Which cities of Punjab have you visited?
Lahore and Islamabad. And Sagoda, a city?
Sagoda.
Yeah, Sagoda.
Okay. Any village?
Jalpana.
Have you visited any village in Punjab?
Yeah, Jalpana in Sagoda district. Where else? I don't know. I've been to a few places. I don't remember the names.
Okay, tell me, what kind of social work do you do in UK?
Okay, so I used to work with homeless people or people who are threatened with homelessness, because we have a big homeless population in the UK. I think people think that we don't have these social problems, but actually we have thousands of people who sleep on the streets and thousands of people who have to access food banks because they don't have enough food to eat.
Do you work only in UK or in other countries too?
I've been doing some work with refugees while I've been travelling. So for the last 5 years I haven't been working at one job. I've been travelling by bicycle. I cycled from the UK all the way to Pakistan, and I cycled through 21 countries. And when the refugees were coming, well, they're still arriving onto the shores of Europe, I was helping the Syrian refugees. And also there were Pakistani refugees and refugees from African countries as well.
Have you find Pakistani people's homeless people sleeping on roads, streets?
I've seen a few, but I haven't seen so many as the UK. I think that people here have maybe more responsibility for looking after each other and extended families. People tend to be more caring maybe to other members of their family.
We have shelter homes in Pakistan, especially in Punjab, for homeless people. Are there shelter homes in UK? Have you find?
There is some, but there's not enough. And the shelters are not safe for many people. So many people prefer to sleep on the streets because they feel safer than staying in a refuge or a shelter. But some counties don't have any shelters at all. So we need more. We need more affordable housing. You know, in the 1970s, the Conservative government sold off all the social housing. So now we've got a greater need, and they're not building. So.
Okay, tell me, do you have any idea how can they be facilitated?
Well, we need to build more houses, more social houses, and during COVID, all of the homeless people were taken off the streets and put into hotels. So if we can do it during COVID, I think we can house people the rest of the time. It's not impossible. And we're a rich country compared to a lot of countries, so if we prioritised our budget in different places, we don't need to have homelessness or people starving.
You are saying that we should shift them in hotels. I think this is not the permanent solution.
Well, no, of course. They need permanent housing, but we need to build more houses for that because we don't have enough properties for the population. So, yeah, and there's a lot of properties that are lying vacant that need...
No, in Pakistan, like Pakistan, a third world country, how can they can be facilitated by government? Do you have any other idea, any feasibility, like a philanthropist or other thing?
Well, I mean, there are charities out there, but the charities rely on the generosity of the population. Really, I think it should be a government responsibility. I mean, we all pay our taxes, don't we? and a lot of people evade tax paying, the rich people. So if they were held to account, they were made to pay their taxes, I'm sure with that money we could build enough accommodation for people.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Miss Claire, for talking with us. नाजरीन, क्लेयर एक सोशल वर्कर ने होमलैस पीपल जड़े बेघर लोग की ने उन्हां लई काम कर रहे ने और साइकिल ते निकले ने पूरी दुनिया घूमते हुए पाकिस्तान आए ने। पाकिस्तान के बारे च इन्हां नाल बड़ी गलबात हुई। इन्हां ने कहा जी पाकिस्तान च बहुत घट ने जड़े बेघर ने और दूजे मुल्कां च ईवन यूके एक डिवेलप्ड कंट्री है, उत्थे भी होमलैस पीपल है ने, उन्हां लई काम कर रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान च होमलैस पीपल बहुत घट ने, लेकिन है ने सही किथे किथे कह रहे ने मैनू नज़र आए ने। इन्हां ने कुछ आइडियाज़ भी शेयर किए ने कि उन्हां नू किस तरह फैसिलिटेट किया जा सकता है। ये अज दी गलबात सी ते मैनू इजाज़त दिओ, रब राखा।